Good morning to all respected director, sir, principal, ma'am, teachers, and my fellow friends. I am Priyanshi Singh of class 3rd from SSG Modern School, welcoming you all to our school's virtual assembly. As you know, we are celebrating this week as Health and Hygiene Week. So to put mark on it, we students of class 3rd and 4th are here to present few things related to health and hygiene. Let me tell you about health and hygiene. What is health? Health is being physically and mentally fit, whereas hygiene refers to the good practices that prevent disease and lead to. It's time for presentation by my fellow friends. So first I would request Vinayak Sharma to share his thought on health. I am Vinayak Sharma of class 3rd from SSJ Modern School. Today I am going to share a thought on our weekly theme, health and hygiene. Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live in. It simply means that no matter what you do or what you become, your body will always be with you. So if you want to achieve anything in life, you must take care of your health. Thank you. Well said, Vinayak. We must take care of our body. Now, Vana invite Chandra Singh. Hello, I am Jain Singh of class 3rd from SSG Modern School. Today I will recite a poem, Being Clean. I must be all neat and clean. Untidy I must not be seen. From morning until go to bed, I try to be clean first toe to head. I brush my teeth, I rinse my mouth, and gargle to very loud. I bath and wash and comb my hair, and later play in fresh air. This is how I must stay clean, because cleanliness is a part of my routine. Thank you. Wow, a perfect way to live a healthy life. Now it's time for another poem by. Hello everyone, I am Arav Sharma of class 3rd. Today I will recite a poem on health and hygiene. This is a baby take a bath. This is a baby take a bath. So early in the morning, la la la. This is a baby comb over here, comb over here. So early in the morning, this is a baby comb over here. Nicely done, Arav. Here it's speech time. So Soumya Ansal will deliver a speech on our theme, health and hygiene. Hello everyone, myself Soumya Bansal. I study in class 4th of SSG Modern School. Today I am going to deliver a speech on health and hygiene. Health is the most important thing in our life. As a healthy person can enjoy all the work without getting tired. To maintain good health, we have to eat sufficient nutrients contained in the food. Whereas hygiene refers to the condition where we keep our body and surrounding clean. It is very important to take care of personal hygiene even we are healthy. If we take proper care of our hygiene, it helps prevent illness and diseases. Thank you. Wow, a well-described one. Lastly, there is a short activity done by Kanak washing machine. I have made many verbs like chain, nine, feet. Wash, wash, wash your face. Mother, father, brother, sister, wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your face. Mother, father, brother, sister, wash your hands. To keep healthy, we need to be hygienic. Thank you. Let's sum it up with few words by our class teacher Muskan ma'am. Please ma'am come.
I'd like to start with the appraisal for the students who have participated in this video. As you can see, they have introduced our weekly theme, health and hygiene, in a very nice way. They've just explained and introduced it by rhyming, by delivering their speech, and by expressing their thoughts. So well done, kids. Now let me put some light on the weekly theme that is health and hygiene. So what actually health is? Health is a complete person's well-being. That if a person is mentally as well as physically fit, that means we can say that person is a healthy one. Whereas hygiene actually tells us that if a person take good practices, conserve good practices, then he can just prevent diseases, and then he can stay healthy, or he or she can stay healthy. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind, that healthy is not something like just to be physically fit. Some people used to think like just being physically fit is good to go. No, you need to be mentally fit as well. Don't look at the people, those who go for the mental checkup regularly. Please just learn the importance of being healthy from mentally as well, because अगर आप mentally fit हैं, then of course you are also physically fit, because everything just goes around by your mind. और अगर आप mentally stable नहीं है, like in the case आपको stress हो रहा है किसी चीज़ के से related, आपको बहुत tension हो रही है, like stress as well, so आप क्या करते हो, आपको anger आता है, आप frustrate होते हो, तो actually वो indirectly आपकी body यानी कि आपको physically harm करता है. So to prevent that things, you need to be physically healthy. So just keep few things in your mind while being taking precautions. Please be hygienic. अगर आप जितना hygienic, जितना clean रहेंगे, that will be good for you. We all are facing a very pandemic situation. For that, अगर आपको उस चीज़ से मतलब आपको face out करना है उस situation को, then for that you need to take precautions. You just need to wash your hands regularly. You need to take proper bath. You need to maintain hygienic things. Keep your mask on. Always put on your mask. Always use sanitizers before touching anything, because that actually contains a lot of germs. So please mind few of the things, and I hope you have learnt a lot. Thank you.